Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween blow-up yard decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Joliyoou Halloween Inflatable Decorations. This Joliyoou blow-up Halloween lawn decoration is consisted of 4 stacked Halloween classic elements: ghost, black cat, purple bat and jack-o'-lantern. It is really good to be placed at yard, garden, patio, gate, indoor and outdoor places to add great festive touch. The built-in fan helps the inflatable be fully inflated in a really short time. Ranking at number 4 we have COOSH 5FD Halloween Inflatable Decoration. The ghost with dunce's cap inflatable is made of high-strength waterproof polyester. Hitches against rips and tears. The excellent stitching improves the durability of the inflatable decoration. In addition, this outdoor inflatable is providing with a powerful duty blower to continuous airflow inflate the decoration. It also comes with a storage bag for you. At number 3 we have Rocinha Halloween Inflatable Decoration. You have greet your guest with adorable cat inflatable with pumpkin. The legs of cat is reach out in the pumpkin. It is very cute and not scary for a family-friendly Halloween display. Your family will love this come Halloween. The inflatable cat with wizard hat has eye-catching bright LED lights that make it look perfect every holiday night. At number 2 we have Joiedomi Halloween Inflatable Decoration. This is 8-foot tall Halloween inflatable skeleton dinosaur. This is for goofy, spooky, convenient Halloween holiday yard decoration. This light up in the evening for the best attraction to neighbors and guests. At number 1 we have Joledomi Halloween Inflatable Decoration. It is perfect for Halloween outdoor yard garden decorations, trick or treat event decoration, Halloween night event. It is very easy to use. It comes in 10 feet extended cord, ground stakes, fastened ropes and built-in sandbags. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween blow-up yard decorations for your need.